Changing the currency in QuickBooks Online is essential for businesses dealing with multiple currencies. QuickBooks allows you to set up different currencies for your customers, vendors, and accounts. Here's how to change the currency settings. Enable multi-currency feature. Log into your QuickBooks Online account. Click on the settings in the upper right corner. Under the Your Company section, select Account and Settings. Go to the Advanced tab. Scroll down to the Currency section and toggle the multi-currency option to On. QuickBooks will prompt you with a warning that this setting cannot be undone. Confirm your selection. Set the home currency. In the same currency section, choose your home currency from the drop-down menu. This is the primary currency for your business. Add currencies for transactions. After enabling multi-currency, you can add currencies for specific customers or vendors. Navigate to the Customers or Vendors section. Select the customer or vendor and choose the currency for transactions from the Currency drop-down menu. Save changes. Click Save to apply your changes.